Many Americans would love to invest and build a better financial future, but don't know how to best maximize the revenue that can be earned. Some experts say investing passively in apartments through real estate syndications can be an excellent way to unlock your wealth potential by creating additional streams of income for you while reducing your tax burden.
Apartment investing is one of the most profitable opportunity within the commercial space. Within that, the major benefits, you can start with the cash flow that you have during the holding period, which could be 5 to 10%. You have the appreciation that you get from during the holding period as the value of the asset increases if you are able to increase the income of the asset. And then there is the stability that you have within this sector because of the increasing inflation, because of the increasing mortgage rates and the affordability gap. There are significant tax advantages by investing in this space that you can utilize to offset any income that you have from this or any other passive streams.
Anthem Capital is a premier real estate firm that helps busy, high-income professionals who struggle with making time for what they love by providing passive real estate investment opportunities and education that will unlock their wealth potential and create a lasting and positive impact in their community. Anthem helps investors build generational wealth through private multifamily real estate investment opportunities in stable, yield-producing properties across growing geographic markets in the U.S.
Our mission at Anthem Capital is very simple. We want to create a positive and lasting impact on our community. And our community is divided up into 3 different groups. First, it's our investors. Second, it's our tenants who live at each of our properties. And last, it is the community surrounding each of our apartments. Anthem Capital then isn't what it is today. We just wanted to buy an apartment or 2 and see how it went. But we quickly realized how apartment investing, how powerful it was, and it was helping us achieve our financial goals at such a rapid rate. And we realized that not only can this help us, but it can help other people too. And so we developed a company, a formal company, Anthem Capital.
Armed with decades of experience and a proven track record in multifamily syndication, Anthem's assets stretch from Florida to Utah. This type of passive investing provides long-term growth that's secured by a tangible asset, minus the volatility associated with stocks.
The rent growth has been very strong in recent months and quarters, and the projection is for it to continue to be very strong, especially in markets where the employer growth, where the employment growth is very strong, where the population growth is strong. It just adds to the demand for good quality workforce housing with good amenities, which is what we at Anthem Capital provide.
It's a common misconception that investing is difficult and something only an elite few can engage in. Truth is, investing is something everyone can do, and Anthem Capital is here to help guide anyone interested. It's all about grabbing hold of your capital and making it work for you. The process is simple, accessible, and transparent.
I began investing with Anthem Capital in 2019. As far as the type of returns we see, it ranges anywhere from mid-20% all the way up to mid-40% for annualized returns. When I did my first investment, it was the scariest thing ever, but what really helped comfort me is I knew I had done my homework. I had educated myself. I had vetted who I would be investing with. So at the end of the day, it was taking that leap, but as they say, you have to get a little uncomfortable in order to grow.
At Anthem Capital, we feel it's very important to have goals, to set your eyes on the horizon so you know where you want to be. And by 2030, we want to have been invested in 300 properties. We want to have donated $5 million through our Anthem Impact Foundation. And we want to help 5,000 individual investors achieve financial freedom so that they can live life according to their own terms. The bottom line is that you can invest in one of these assets today. You don't have to have millions of dollars in the bank account or be a large corporation.
People are always going to need a place to stay with the current trends in demographics, with the current economic environment. This just lends itself more to invest in apartments than any other space.
Take the first step in unlocking your wealth potential through real estate investing. Take action today. Visit unlockwealthpotential.com to request a free copy of Anthem's book, Unlock Your Wealth Potential Through Real Estate Investing.